So we've implemented the kind of core ITSM components of ServiceNow, so change, problem, incident, configuration management, service catalog, asset management, and so on. But I think for the organisation to get real value out of ServiceNow and almost to take it to the next level, we need to extend beyond IT. The project space gave us that opportunity because it's within our control, because it's the infrastructure projects that we're governing, and yet it's not a core IT function, that project management space. So it was a good way for us to move slightly beyond what we've been doing up until now, and yet be within our own area and show that ServiceNow can do more than incident management, basically. So right from the outset, we were determined that we would bring the financial information into the project space as well, because we were spending an awful lot of time at the end of each month trying to reconcile all the information so that we could present that at various boards and have discussions with our business units around the cost of doing infrastructure change. So if we hadn't added the financial information into the project application, there would have been a huge gap for us, and we would still have had to do all that running around at the end of the month. So it's absolutely logical for us to have that right in there, and that was a key objective of the work from the outset. We've set up dashboards depending on the role of the person and what they're interested in. So a portfolio manager would be able to view all the projects within their area of responsibility, whereas a risk manager on a programme of work would specifically have that view of current status of risks or any issues that are currently active on that programme. I have a vested interest in making sure that the governance of the programmes is done effectively. I spent some time in internal audits. I've seen it from the other side, and I know how difficult it is to try and track down the evidence that you're looking for. So I think it's really important that we again have one source of truth, so that 2 years down the line we can look back at a piece of work and say, yes, it did go through all the various approval cycles that were required, and here's the evidence of those approvals in one place.